Alright guys, got another new piece of equipment here to show you. So this is the Husqvarna 525BX handheld blower. I'm not normally a fan of these smaller compact blowers, but this is a pretty cool one we got for some specialty areas like batting cages and sports areas where it's hard to get a backpack blower. So today I'm just going to show you, give you a little overview of this particular machine, show you how to run it, and tell you my thoughts on it. As always, if you want to purchase this particular machine, check in the description below. I got a link to where you can buy this. So let's get started. All right, so this, as I said, is the Husqvarna 525BX handheld blower. So this, as with most small two-stroke engines, is very simple in design. Husqvarna is a really good quality company, so I actually really like most of the stuff that they produce. So as with most engines, what you're going to do is you've got the choke here and you've got the primer bulb. So usually in the morning when I first start a machine like this, I'm going to prime it. If you've been running it, you don't need to do that, but you will on the first time you start it. So I'm just going to prime it 3 times. You're going to pull the choke out, and then all you're going to do is you're going to pull the starter. So you'll hear it kind of hum to life like it did just there, and what you want to do is push the choke off, because once that starts, it'll start to flood it, so you want to get the choke off as soon as possible. And there you go, it's that simple to start. Like I said, for the first start in the morning, you want to prime it with the bulb, pull the choke on, then you pull it once or twice, you'll hear it start to cough, then you push the choke off, pull it once more, and it's good to go. So what's nice about this is it's got the on-off switch on the top handle here, real easy. One thing I like about Husqvarna that they seem to do is the on-off switch pushes itself back in the off position. You'll see people all the time, like new people who haven't used machines like this, what they'll do is they'll sit there all day trying to start their machine and they won't realize that the on-off switch has been left to the off position. So this one's real nice, it takes care of that for you because it just pushes itself back into the stop position. Or into the run position, I should say, because it's always ready to start, but it still shuts it off. So this has got the trigger right here. This controls the throttle, the speed at which the engine runs, and then you've got an override here, which allows you to lock the throttle into position. So you can see when I pull this back, the trigger is compressed. So if you're going to be doing longer jobs where your fingers get tired or you just want to set it at a consistent rev speed, then this is nice to use. It's basically a cruise control for the machine. You've got the fill here, so you're going to fill it with mixed gas, as with all little two-stroke engines. The air filter is going to be right on the back here. So to access the air filter, you unscrew this little screw here. It's got a real nice wide thing, so you can do it with your hand. You don't need a screwdriver. Pull that off, and there you go. There's the air filter right there. It's also got a foam pad here. Very accessible, very easy to check, and that's about it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. These machines are really very user-friendly. It's got you can remove the end of this if you want to. If you need one to set it to different depths or put a different head on it. This is a pretty straightforward head. You can see it's just a tube here. They have heads that fan out, so the air gets distributed a little bit differently. All right, guys. Well, there you go. That is the Husqvarna 525BX handheld compact blower. Great machine. A lot of power for such a small blower. This isn't like your little homeowner crappy models that, you know, are basically like trying to blow a lawn with a hairdryer. This one actually has a lot of power. Great little engine. Husqvarna is a brand that I love. I use Husqvarna. Well, you know, I use it for just about everything. Almost all the equipment we have here is Husqvarna. So there you go. That's a quick review and tutorial on what it is and how to use it. If you like this machine, if you want a handheld blower like this, check in the description below. Like I said, I got a link to where you can buy this. But that's it. So have a great day, everybody, and be sure to check out my channel and check out my other videos.